cool, but like all roller coasters, it's got to come down. And for right now, I'm just going to take out the electrical, and I'm probably going to take down the whole track all at once so I can film it from start to end. All the electrical's been taken out. Now it's just connects in 3D print. Big teardown coming up next. Well, today's the day. Going to take it down. Gonna get the bins and just gonna probably go from left to right like a big wall of destruction. Well, that took some time. Hope you enjoyed watching as much as I did building it and then taking it down. If you want to watch the final video, check that out up here. And if you want to watch how I built it, check that out down there. You click them. You just click them. Thanks for watching.